Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Transit. In this video I'll show you where is the fuse box in engine compartment. To find fuse box in engine compartment, take a look at the right side of it. Fuse box is located right here. To access it, you have to unlock this hook and now you can remove the cover. Fuses are under this second cover, and to unlock it you have to pull two additional locks. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.